Best lessons I ever learned in life came from the worst feeling I ever felt in life. Honesty is the highest form of intimacy. Positive people also have negative thoughts. They just don't let those thoughts grow and destroy them. Remember that happiness is a way of travel, not a destination. Don't let your bad days trick you into thinking you have a bad life. Once you make the decision to move on, don't look back. Your destiny will never be found in the review mirror. As you breathe right now, another person takes their last, so stop complaining and learn to live your life with what you have. No one is going to stand up at your funeral and say she had a really expensive coach and great shows that don't make life about stuff. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Creativity is intelligence, having fun. Don't be afraid to meet the unfamiliar or difficult path. Sometimes they are the ones that takes you to the best places. If you rush it, you will ruin it fast, pain and impatient. Nobody is ever kidding you. If they are interested, they will need time. Always end the night with a positive thought. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you find that a person for life, a lesson for life. Life by listening to others. Nobody is ever fully they are be at my side, but he is always in my heart.